to unboxing sensation, and now we're gonna unbox a little tikes scooter. We got this from my child. We got it for around $24.99. I'm so glad that we got it in affordable price. So let's unbox this one, and we would like to thank you for, and we got the helmet for around $5 at 5 below.
Little Tikes scooter is 1 to 2 years old and it's lean and turn.
The Little Tikes scooter color blue. You have to unscrew this one, the red. Remove the screw here. There's Spanish and English instruction.
And this is the instruction. Remove this. Check if it's steady and it's moving good. And this is the close-up look of Little Tikes scooter, lean and turn. And this is with the wheels is sliding, and there's a grip on the stepping board, as you can see. Push the button to remove the handle of the scooter. And there's also a grip in the handle. And this is the first time my son to play scooter. Scooter is a nice way to train a child to balance. And this is the Little Tikes blue, and this is the Radio Flyer scooter. The difference is the handle is not adjustable.
Video, please give me a thumbs up, and please like and share and subscribe.